We've been covering the latest moves in crypto, including Circle's IPO in June. Today, digital asset trading platform Uphold became the leading infrastructure provider for easyBitcoin. That's an app making it simpler to own the cryptocurrency. Nancy Beaton, Uphold's U.S. president and global chief revenue and marketing officer, told me how her firm is powering easyBitcoin. Let's take a listen.
Uphold has been in the crypto space for more than 10 years, and we're well known for our retail wallet that allows people to buy, sell, trade, hold, stake crypto. But what's really special about Uphold is the platform that underpins that wallet. And now we've enabled businesses, fintechs, banks, and brands like Easy to leverage that platform and get into the crypto market in a matter of months.
How should consumers engage with this app?
Yeah, so we make it very simple. They should download the easyBitcoin app, they sign up, and then they start buying Bitcoin. And every time they buy Bitcoin, we give them Bitcoin. So it doesn't get easier than that.
Of course, we know Uphold is a digital assets trading platform. How does this particular move fit into its overall strategy?
Yeah, we know that the market is growing. Demand for getting into cryptocurrency is growing, especially Bitcoin. In fact, 88% of the market will tell you they trust Bitcoin to grow their money over the next 10 years. But half of the market will also tell you it's very hard to get started. They don't know where to start or how to start. So we've made it easy. Sign up for the application, get rewards when you buy Bitcoin, and you can start for as little as $10 a week, a month, or a spot buy.
How is the market signaling that this offering is needed now?
Yeah, they really tell us that they want to be in Bitcoin, right? Most people will say, if I had a windfall of $10,000, I would go to Bitcoin. They trust Bitcoin over traditional savings. We're seeing this in the market over and over again. So this app is specifically designed for those that want to get started in the market. Anyone can do it, and you can start for as little as $10.
How do you think consumers should think about Bitcoin when it comes to things like savings and investing?
Yeah, a couple of things. One is, it is arguable that Bitcoin is the greatest savings technology ever made. If you look at, if you would have invested $1,000 in 2015, you would have nearly $400,000 today.
Wow.
So it's all about getting in the market and not timing the market. So the goal is just to get started. And when you download the easyBitcoin app, we make it super simple to do that.
We see cryptocurrency hovering near record highs. How have you seen adoption evolve alongside what's been a very strong run?
Yeah, I think we see more and more people wanting to get into the market. They see this, they hear about it, they talk about it. You know, my friends will ask me about it. And it's really important because they don't know where to start. And so in order to fuel that adoption, you know, some will say more than 30 million want to get into the Bitcoin market in 2025. You have to create easy ways for them to get started. And Easy is a brand that is known for innovation and disrupting markets that are traditionally for exclusivity and bringing them down to the mass market, which is what they wanted to do with the easyBitcoin app.
Are there incentives for users to sign up in these early days?
There are. So you set up a recurring buy, which is the best way to compound your Bitcoin. You don't have to time the market for as little as $10. So for every recurring buy, we'll give you a bonus of 1%. Hold that recurring buy going for 3 months, and we'll give you another bump.
What else should our viewers know about Uphold?
I think, you know, they should really understand that Uphold has been in this space for more than 10 years. We work hard to give our users more consistency, more liquidity in their tokens. We also work really hard to make sure that we are delivering regulatory compliant type of services, which is why this new regulation has really opened up the space and given everybody clear direction on how to meet the demand that's coming.
All right, thanks again to Nancy Beaton, Uphold's U.S. President and Global Chief Revenue and Marketing Officer, for sharing that news with us at the NYSE.